Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha and today we are going to create floating hearts. Okay, what you'll be needing today is an expo marker, whatever color you'd like. I chose red for my hearts. You'll also need a porcelain or glass ball. And lastly, you'll need a faucet, like the kitchen or bathroom faucet. And most people have all of these things in their home. Okay, so go ahead and take your expo marker and we're going to draw our hearts. You can use different colors too, so you have a wide variety of hearts, and you can do different shapes. All up to you. Okay, and now we're going to take this to the faucet.
When your hearts have dried, put it under cold water and watch them float. What's also pretty cool is that you can catch one and it'll keep its image and you can put it on yourself like a temporary tattoo. Did you know the human heart pumps blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels in one child and 100,000 miles in one adult?